To use the Mathematics for 11 Plus program, you double click the icon on your desktop. If you see this message, you will have to register it later. We will show you how to do that in another video. But for now, to use the program, you would enter a username and password. And if you look, you will see that there are two different answer options. So you can answer in multiple choice or fill in the blanks. For now, to start, I will just enter my username, which is BSmart, and I have no password. So I'll enter BSmart and then click enter. When we do that, the program then goes to my file and finds all the information about me. That is, what scores I have done, what types of tests I have done, what types of questions I have done. So that's why you see it saying wait while we load the database. We then go to the main options where we can practice questions, practice a sample test, view progress charts, view special features in the program, or I can look for help on a section in the program or exit. For now, we're going to do practice questions. When we click that, we go to the screen with all the different topics that we can practice, right? From number concepts, fractions, angles and space, problem solving. So now let's do area and perimeter. Let's answer some questions on that. So I click on area and perimeter, and then you will see the program then selects 10 questions. In the question screen, you will see the first thing, there's a box where an image may be shown that's relevant to the question. We would then have the question text, and you have 4 possible choices because I'm answering in multiple choice mode. Then we have the time spent. It's showing you that. You can click on buzz to get a hint. And there are 5 stars that show the progress you're making on a topic. You start to light up the stars once you get 60%, all the way up to 100%. So as you get those, you start lighting up the stars. Down at the bottom, we have previous and next question buttons that you can use to scroll back and forth between the questions. There's a correct question button, which is not enabled. When you've gotten to the 10th question, then it becomes enabled. And then we have a scratchpad button. Click on that to open up an electronic scratchpad. You can see it saves the last information that you've put in there. So I'm going to clean it out, and then we're going to use it. Let me just show you how you use it to answer this question on perimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 13 centimeters and width is 7 centimeters. What is the perimeter? So I'm going to first add 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 will give me 20. And then I will multiply the 20 by 2. So 20 times 2 is going to give me 40. And so I will choose that as my answer. Okay, so I will go across and select choice B, 40 centimeters, and then click next question to go to the next one. Now, the next question is a question on area, and I'm going to show you how when you click on buzz, he can show you a hint on how to answer that question. So the hint shows up here, and I will just go ahead and make an error that a lot of students make, and I'll put in the perimeter instead of the area, right? And then click for question 3. I'm just going to guess at this point and just go quickly through the questions. But you can see some questions have images, some questions don't. So you have to read the question and then work it out and then choose the correct answer. So when we get to 10th question, you see correct questions is now available. Poor Buzz, he's a little bit sad that I've only gotten 1 out of 10, right? From here, I can print the report. So I can print the report and show it to mom, or I can click close, and then what will happen is I can then go over the work solutions to see where I went wrong. So let's click close. Now this is the superpower of our program. Every question has the work solution for it. So you see it's giving you not just the correct answer, but the steps to arrive at that. So you see I have here a tick that tells me I got that first one correct. I have a red X in this one that tells me I got it wrong, but I can see the working and perhaps look at my working and see where I went wrong. You will see it shows which answer I selected, and the correct answer is always underlined, right? So correct answer underlined, my question is selected. And if you look at, as we go through to the next question, let's look at question 4. Was that one that I answered? You will see, yes, that's one I did answer. But look at question 5. Yes, that was another guess question. Question 6, see there's no answer here. So you can see that it shows the correct answer on the line, but I didn't select a choice. So we'll click through all the way quickly, and you can see every single question shows the working. How do you arrive at the correct answer? And that's what I call the superpower of our program. So we can close here, and then we go back to the main options. We can select another set of questions to work in the same topic or a different topic, or we can click on the main menu to exit, and then we can click exit to exit the program.